welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe while you're here. My name is Bubbles and you're gonna love my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to get the wet look on this curly hair from AliPearl. So if y'all want to see this, make sure that y'all stay tuned, watch the full video in 1080p. Make sure that you like and comment.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, you guys, so y'all have been asking me so many questions about this hair. Where is this hair from? What texture is it? Y'all just keep asking me all these questions about this hair, so I'm gonna give y'all this hair. I can see I have this big hump, I think, from like the pony. But yeah, don't mind my face, okay? I haven't gotten ready yet, but I just wanted to film this video for y'all. So yeah, y'all can see that my hair is pretty big. I've been putting like mousse on it and it still had like a pretty big look, but today I'm gonna get it to where it's looking like, you know, yeah. So to start off, you're going to need a couple of products. Alright, so you're going to need a spray bottle or some type of source of water. I don't care if you use your spit, you're going to need some water if you want your hair to be, you know, nice and flowy. Then you're going to need some mousse. I'm using this kind. It works really well, that's why I have like none left. And then I'm going to use some type of cream. It's up to y'all what kind of cream y'all use, but I'm going to use this one. And these are actually the same products that I put on my natural hair, so y'all know I'm treating this hair good or whatever. But yeah, I really like this cream because it is like super weightless, but it still defines your curls. You get what I'm saying? Like, you can touch your curls and it won't be hard, but at the same time, you know, they still define. So I'm about to just section off my hair and we're gonna get started. Okay, this hair I bought from AliPearl, as I said, but this is actually my first frontal. Can y'all believe that? I feel like I'm doing pretty well with it because I got it like 2 days before Christmas and still no lifting, baby. Okay, that's why I need to holler at my boy Quilly because he did me right. But yeah, I haven't had any lifting. It bleached pretty well, I would say. It didn't take like a ton of time for it to bleach or whatnot. As far as tangling, I would say it's not bad. I had Beauty Forever curly hair before and I just did not like it. It tangled so bad. So this hair is definitely like a one-up on Beauty Forever curly hair if y'all ask me, because I've had Beauty Forever hair and I just did not like it at all. So yeah, right now I'm just wetting the hair, trying to get it moist. Yes, this hair is 24 inches and it is a 13 by 6 frontal. And you don't want to get the hair like, it don't have to be like drenched, but at the same time you want the hair to be really, really wet. Like, you want it to be wet. You don't want it down, you want it wet, okay? So I'm just going through, I'm about to do it one more time. Alright, so now y'all can see that the hair is nice and wet. So the first thing I'm going to put on the hair is the mousse, and I just got one squirt. Rub it in between my hands and then I just smooth it onto the hair. And I like to make sure I get the ends. Now I'm gonna get the cream. I'm not like, I am kind of heavy-handed, but this is how much I'm about to use for this section. So I'm just about to rub that in. And like I said, you want to make sure that you get all of the hair. Like, you don't want to miss the top part or skip on the bottom. Like, you want to get all the hair. Now, as far as how you detangle the hair, that's up to you. I'm going to use a paddle brush because I really want my hair to be super duper defined. So I'm just about to go through like this. And y'all can see it's like not a lot of snagging, and that's because I put, like, y'all see these? Look at these curls. Curls are popping. Why do I have the water running? Yeah, but like I said, these curls are popping. Y'all can see that it wasn't like a ton of snagging, and that's because I waited to detangle after I put all the products in the hair. It's gonna be super duper easier if you wait till it's nice and moist. So that's what I would recommend doing. Now I'm about to go with the top section, and this section is gonna be really hard because this is the part that was like in the ponytail. But yeah, so I'm about to just repeat the process for the rest of the hair, and I'm gonna come back and y'all gonna see, okay? Also, when y'all doing like detangling curly hair, it's really vital that you detangle from the bottom to the top. I know that I just did it from the top, but that's because like I know like I was kind of finger combing as I went through it. But yeah, make sure that you detangle from the bottom to the top, because curly hair, it tangles way more easily than straight hair, and you don't want to, you know, increase the shedding or the knots by detangling from the top rather than from the bottom. So yeah, pro tip, okay?
And I, oh.
Y'all can't tell me it's not my hair, because like it just looks so natural, like it really does. I'm about to show y'all how much like shedding and stuff I had. And okay, so I made a mess, but this is about how much shedding I had. I'm gonna try to see it. Alright, so y'all got a lot on the back of the brush. Not a lot, but like a good bit. And then I have like this piece right here. So yeah, it's not too much shedding. I don't think it's excessive shedding. I can easily, why you didn't tell me I had this on my face? I can easily though like comb through my hair when it's dry, and I don't have like major issues. Y'all know how sometimes you be a little scared to like let people go through your hair, because what if it snag? Y'all ain't gotta worry about this with this hair. Like y'all, like people can run their fingers through your hair and you ain't gotta worry about that, baby girl. Like this hair got you good. Y'all, I'm not exposing myself full of weed.
A few moments later.
But yeah, so this hair is super duper good hair. I would say it's much better quality than the Beauty Forever hair. Not to like, you know, throw dirt on their name or nothing, but if y'all want some curly hair, I recommend y'all get this AliPearl hair, because it is everything. And for my first frontal, I would say I had a great experience with it so far. I feel like this is a good quality frontal, because I know a lot of people that get frontals, they be like, you gotta get it done every week, and I haven't had to touch mine up yet. Like I do my baby hairs, but I haven't had to like reglue or anything.
20 minutes later.
My hair is drying, and y'all can see that it's still like very much defined, and it's not like big, and I like the bigger look too, but you know I want to switch it up a little bit, because you know, yeah, you know, today I'm getting real cute. So make sure y'all turn on post notifications so y'all can see me get ready, because today is New Year's and I want to get super cute. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I took the ponytail down and did the wet look on this hair. But y'all can look at the ends, and they are super full. Like, you know how the ends be looking really thin sometimes? Not with this hair. Like this hair is super full at the ends. That's why another reason why I recommend y'all get this hair. I am not sponsored by them, I just really like this hair. So yeah, this is where I recommend. For $236, I got a frontal 24 inches, and it's super good quality. So I think it was a really good deal, and that was without like any specials or anything. Think about when they had like 11.11. Y'all can get curly hair for dumb cheap. So yeah, I really like this hair, and I think y'all will too. But yeah, y'all can see this is like the final look. I'm gonna do a little slow-mo for y'all, and yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, make sure I give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, and please subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.